YouTube, it's your guy, not your average trucker. Really quick. I own a fleet of semis, I own a fleet of e-bikes. I have some nice cars in the garage. One thing I hate is when I need to get something done and there's just not enough light. Especially when I'm in one of my semis, some random light come on, or my fuel filter is full and it's 9 p.m., no sunlight. I reach for OLight Baton 4 Pro. OLight Baton 4 Pro. This is mini size. It'll fit in your shirt pocket, your hoodie, your jacket pocket, your sweatpants. It has 1600 lumens. Do you have any idea how bright that is? It'll light up about 200 meters. So whether you're under a truck, trying to find a fuse, trying to change a fuel filter, trying to check your oil at freaking 9-10 p.m. and it's dark outside, no light around. You understand? One thing I hate, a lot of these vehicles now, a lot of these semi-trucks now, majority of everything is plastic. So even if you have one of those magnetic flashlights that you can hang somewhere, a lot of times it's hard to find somewhere to hang it that's magnetic. But guess what? This mini Baton 4 Pro by OLight, you don't have that problem. It has a button on the side, a button on the bottom. Really easy to operate. It charges by USB-C. It has a battery that lasts almost forever. I never ever leave the house without it. Yeah, I know some of you young guys, some of you new school guys are like, well, I had a flashlight on my cell phone. What good is the flashlight on your cell phone if you drop that phone, crack your screen? Why risk that when you can have this durable Baton 4 Pro? You don't have to worry about dropping it. You don't have to worry about getting it wet. You don't even have to worry about charging it that often. It lasts a really long time. Not your average trucker. Let's go over what you get in the package. Look at that. Nice instructions on the back. It says, before first use, unscrew the body, remove insulating film, twist it, pretty much. It's telling you can charge it with a USB cable and so on and so forth, right? So you get a magnetic charging stand that's proprietary. You get some mounts for you to mount it somewhere you can stick your light. Then you get this light. Look at this green. See, some of you know the name of my company, some of you don't. Has green in the title. I am really partial to the color green. A lot of my cars I used to buy, I would paint them green. I love green. So I have this rugged green OLight Baton 4. Let's see. It's very rugged. You twist it. You have your USB-C charging port. You're able to turn it on by the bottom. You're able to turn it on by the side. And then, you know, I have on a black tee, but you have a clip here. You can clip it to your pocket on your shirt. You can clip it to your jeans. Like I said, man, I don't leave home without it, bro. I am the king. I guess I get that from my grandfather. This is the film that you have to remove to activate the battery. It's a proprietary battery made by OLight. You probably can't see the details. Oh yeah. 3,500 milliamps, 3.6 volts. Come on, man. I bet this has killer standby time. Because like I said, I probably have 10 of these and none of them died on me yet. I can't even tell you the last time I charged one. But like I said, the proprietary dock, you can plug this into any charger, your laptop or whatever. Sit it on there like this, charges up. But if you're in a pinch and you're in your car, you got a USB-C for your cell phone, guess what? That works too, you heard? Come on, man. OLight Baton 4 I would show y'all how it looks. You see that? I blind the camera with that, you heard? Maybe we get under the truck in a minute. Be easy.